Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find which is the largest among these numbers 3 to the power 50, 4 to the power 40, 5 to the power 30 and 6 to the power 20. Now the highest common factor of 50, 40, 30 and 20 is the highest common factor of 50, 40, 30 and 20 is equal to 10. So 3 to the power 50 can be written as 3 to the power 5 whole to the power this 10 and 5 times 10 is 50 is equal to 3 to the power 5 is 243 and whole to the power 10 and 4 to the power 40 is equal to 4 to the power 4 whole to the power 10 is equal to 4 to the power 4 is 256 whole to the power 10 and 5 to the power 30 is equal to 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 10 is equal to the value of 5 to the power 3 is 125 whole to the power 10 and 6 to the power 20 is equal to 6 square whole to the power 10 is equal to 6 square is equal to 36 to the power 10. All of the numbers power are same and the base is 243, 256, 125 and 36. Among this number, this is the largest. So 3 to the power 50 is the largest among these numbers and 4 to the power 40 is the second largest and next after 5 to the power 30 and 6 to the power 20 is the smallest number among these. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.